So, Super Minion. My brother keeps telling me about his stage 2 Hilux that's so far. So we are giving him an 85-meter head start, and then we'll both be launching from the deck and see what happens.
Hoe maak op deze bakkie?
Maka, nee uitstaan man. Lekker.